Good afternoon, everybody. It's Derek at Lockie's Locksmith Services. Today we're going to be looking at the Squire CP combination padlock, the weatherproof one. The one we're talking about has actually got a screw on the top which you need to remove to change the combination, and that's the push button at the bottom to unlock it. So obviously that's at the right code. I've loosened the screw off a little bit so that I can change the code quicker than what I would normally do. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to wind the wheels round.
Can't see it.
And then without seeing what the combination is, I've got to try and put the screw in. You have to take the screw out in order to reset the combination. Which is a bit awkward when I'm trying to not see the combination at the same time. There we go, got that started. Push that in, so we don't know what the combination is. Right, so I'm going to set these to 0. Now, these are quite a good weatherproof padlock, where we would normally slide something down the side, feel for the gate. You can't do with this lock because the gate's protected. And also we would obviously pull the shackle sometimes, and the good thing about this Squire is that the shackle is independent of the actual wheel, so doing that and trying to feel for the gate is no good. But because of these faults, they've inherently manufactured their own faults. I did inform the Squire, Mr. John Squire himself, probably over a year ago, to let them know about this inherent faults. And just to let you know, Squire now, it's only the Stronghold or SS range padlocks that are actually made in the UK. All the rest, including this, is made in China. So what we do with this one is we'll put it to 0, and I don't know whether you can actually see that, but like on the first one there, it's virtually rock hard. There's no movement on it at all, and we open the lock by pushing the button. So all we're going to do is we're going to try and find the code, because when we move down, what will happen is the right code will actually bounce, and you'll feel the bounce when it's in the gate, and it's quite an obvious one. So it could be that 4 there. I'll just go round again just to double check. Well, I think that one's 4. Seems like a 4. There's an obvious bounce on it. It's quite difficult to see, and I'm sorry about me thumb being in the way, but I use my thumb to tell me which one is on the bounce. So what we're going to do now on the last one, I think it's 483 and then something, so we'll just turn this all the way around and see what actually happens, if I'm on the right code or not. I'll try again. That falls quite hard actually. Try that again, go for the 783. It's quite close. There we go. Thank you.